Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have Lexi, Pooh, and Enzo here. Say hi.
Hi.
We're at Burlington tonight. I'm looking for some new business work clothes and we'll see what kind of spring decor they have. So
Let's get to it!
they're coming. They got some St. Patrick's gnomes and these cute little Easter gnomes. And let's see if there's any pricings. So we got this little bunny.
They have a grass one and a pink one.
So cute. The small ones are $4.99. How much is that grass one?
This one is $5.99.
They have these adorable bunnies here. And they're $14.99. They have these cute crosses and Easter blessings. Look at these cute little bunny bowls. These are $4.99. This is a metal bunny with a heart. He's $7.99. They have these cute little snow globes for Easter. These are only $10. They're really cute. It looks like they have a little mama bunny or little girl and the little white bunnies back there. This glass little candy dish for $5.99. And then we have bunny kisses and Easter wishes.
We have some like wreaths and some outdoor things over here.
I'm gonna just go back and show you these cute little centerpieces for everywhere around your house. These are really cute. So these adorable little bunnies down here and this candle holder. So there's some cute little blazers on sale. This is $13.99. This cute little fur coat for $13.99. This long pea coat. Tags ripped off of that one. But these are really cute deals. And they have some dress pants for the spring. These are $12.99. They have this blue color as well. And some of these are $10. So these are all clearance markdowns. As you see, my kids are not listening. This one is only $10. This comes with a little necklace, cute little blouse. This is really cute. This is marked down for only $4.99. This one's $5.99. This leather jacket for $15.99. That's really cute. I love that. There's another blazer for $20.
There's a blazer.
And another button-up shirt for $14.99. So these ones are all clearance markdowns. You have to check them out. There's summer flip-flops and sandals. If you're going on vacation. All these cute little styles. These are cozy. These ones are marked down for $8.99. They have Guess. They have Nike. We got the Reebok slides on clearance for $7.99. These camouflage Nike ones. Puma. There's some slippers. Down here, more glittery sparkle ones. These are really cute. There's a lot to choose from. And then we have some dress shoes, some fun spring sneakers for $24. These boots are marked down for $17.99. Some cute slides, $15. These ones are cute. Some duck boots, got some cowgirl boots. Some shimmer glitter ones. These are marked down for $11.99. Really adorable. So they have a lot of markdowns. Ooh, I wish these were my size. These are only $25. I love them. I have black and white ones. So a lot of different styles to choose from. These ones are $11.99. These are cute, dressy. There's some sneakers. So a lot of different styles to choose from. Here's a little makeup section. These little palettes are $4.99. $4.99 for these ones. Pretty little heart one. Those are $4.99. The bigger one. This one's marked down for $5.49. They have this love collection one, which is really pretty, and it opens up on both sides. That one is $14.99. We have this one. We have these glitter ones, $4.99. They have the brushes, these brushes as well. This one's $3.99 for that whole pack, and that's infused with vitamin E. We have some lip glosses for $7.99. These are pretty looking. These are $5.99. Some more lip glosses. These matte ones. They're $4.99. This whole pack of different colors. This one's $10. I just want to show you some of these bright, fun spring color purses. This one is marked down for $10.99. Look at this bright, cute pink one. This one is $12.99. They have the purple one, lavender. It's really pretty. Let's see the price on that. The sparkle glitter Steve Madden one is $35. This little yellow wicker basket one. Let's see the price on that, $14.99. They have this nice little mustard color. This cute Steve Madden one. Back up. This one's $35. And this little colorful one. Mini one for your kids, or if you love Disney, that's marked down to $13.99. This little beach one. I like this pink color one. They have butterflies, and they have the light tans. White one. So they're really cute, different vibes for every style. You're looking for this cute little Easter spring dresses. They have such cute ones here. $17.99. This one has all the little rhinestones on it. $21. This white one is really pretty. There's this cute little sunflower one. These are really cute. This one comes with a little jacket. This is $21.99. Really cute stuff for your kids. They even got the spring shoes out for the kids. These are cute for $20. Little dress shoes and sandals, getting ready for spring, Easter, vacation, summer. Cute little ones. These ones with a little jelly strap. These fuzzy little black lace ones. They're $7.99 on sale. Really cute. These ones are $15.99. They have some Skechers. They're $32. We have some glitter ones that are $26. These cute little shoes for $18. More little sandals. So many cute little designs. Little Paw Patrol shoes. They have the little Paw Patrol sneakers here for $18.99. They have little Nautica shoes. So they have characters and name brand. These little Spider-Man guys. These ones are marked down for $18.99. Encanto. These boots are marked down for $11.99. Skechers for $23. These dress boots. DKNY. Rain boots. And we got these slides for $10.99 on sale. So there's a lot of varieties, a lot of clearance going on, and new arrivals coming out. So there's some little Easter bunny blankets out. These are $12.99. They're super soft. This one's cute. They have the ombre ones. They have some floral. And these cute little bunnies too. These are all $12.99. Look at this little Snoopy pillow. We got a love pillow. I'm gonna come over here. I love these pillows. We have some of these at home. They're so nice and cozy. Look at these little beaded bunny ones. It's price. I love these floral colors. These really pop for the spring. More Easter bunny ones. And they have these cute little ottomans and little benches. They have these cute little decorative floral items here. They're so pretty for spring. And you don't have to order them because they're all fake. And here's some more. Pretty lavender down the bottom. Some nice little planners. Really, really gorgeous. And then they have the bigger ones down here. And some little decorative wreaths. And then we have some more bigger plants down there. And these are some pot holders for gardening. And then on the way out, they do have some Easter candy. They have the candy almonds, the big Easter bunnies. They have the candy eggs filled. They still have some cocoa bombs. This little bunny for he's a dog bunny for $3.99. It comes with jelly beans. And they have some Moose Munch and some little eggs again. These cute little candy jars of marshmallows, Godiva chocolates, and then they have Easter Bunny popcorn. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
We'll see you all next time. Goodbye.